24 influencers from all over Southeast Asia were recently invited to an all-expense-paid trip to Singapore for the very first Google YouTubers event entitled the #Google Cook-Off. It was a fun way to show how Google products make life easier while doing the things we love most, like traveling and cooking. Upon touchdown, we were whisked off to the Studio M Hotel on Nansen Road, one of Singapore's trendy boutique hotels, to drop off our bags before heading to Google's Asia-Pacific headquarters. And just when I thought it couldn't get any better, I was flabbergasted upon arrival at the Google headquarters. We were welcomed by the top executives of Google in one of their state-of-the-art theaters, and were given a demo of the Google Pixel phone. At the end of the talk, we were all in shock as they announced that each and every one of us would receive our very own phone. We were given an itinerary of what was to happen next and assigned to 4 different colored teams to compete against one another as we used our smartphones to solve a series of challenges and puzzles the next day. I was assigned to the red team, and I was paired up with Brett Maverick, who is a YouTuber and actor from the Philippines. We also had Jerry Girianza, a chef and food vlogger, and Magdalena F., food vlogger from Indonesia as well. And from Vietnam, we had Oops Banana and Nguyen Ngong Loc, who are both vloggers. The next day, we were taken on a tour of Citizen Farm, an organic urban farm. I was dumbfounded to discover the advancements in agriculture coming to the forefront of the culinary scene by seeing this very small, humble garden sourcing out only the freshest organic produce to many of the top restaurants in the country, all smack dab in the middle of the city. Produce from the farm was used in our #Google Cook-Off challenge. Each team was given limited ingredients and were allowed to trade items with other teams. We were given codfish and a few very odd ingredients that left us with quite the challenge, but we were still determined to win. The twist, though, to our surprise, was that judging was based on the visual appeal of the photo from the cook-off, and unfortunately, we didn't win. But nevertheless, we had the most amazing time bonding, laughing ridiculously, and sharing a meal with all of our fellow teammates. Afterward, we retreated to the Singapore Night Safari and capped off the trip with an elegant farewell dinner for all participants. Thank you so much, Google, for giving me a once-in-a-lifetime experience. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Maawa naman kayo.